Hey everybody, it's Sean from BusyBoxx, and today we're going to be customizing an After Effects project from our Modern Titles volume. This will allow us to take this otherwise boring, slow motion sports shot and add some graphics and text to create a cool opening title shot. We'll start by going to the My Downloads section of BusyBoxx.com and choosing Volume 5, Modern Titles. There are 100 to choose from, and for this project, we're going to use Turn to Motions 21. Downloading is as simple as clicking the download button and choosing our format. Once our download completes, we'll head over to After Effects and open our project. If you get a conversion dialog, go ahead and click OK. We'll scrub through our title and check the motion. We know right away that we're going to change the color and the text. So let's go ahead and import our sports footage and drag it down to make a new comp. Then we'll make another new comp and call this main. This is where we will assemble our project. And drag our soccer comp and our title comp into the main comp. And put the title on the top layer. We're not going to use the complete motion, so let's find where we want our ending to be. And then adjust our work area to the ending point. Then right-click and trim comp to work area. This will tidy up our workspace. Now we'll go in and position our main title. Of course, all parameters can be adjusted up until we render, but we'll start here. Now let's edit our text. Go up to our project window and open the Edit Text Layouts folder. Open Edit Text 1 and edit the text. Then open Text 2, edit the text, and we're going to make the characters just a little larger and spread them out a bit. Now we'll check this back in the main comp to make sure the letters are still within the graphic boundary. Okay. Then open and edit text 3. Looks good. Now let's change our colors. Open up the title comp and look under the control layer. You can scroll down the effect and you can bring these up in the browser to adjust the settings. Go to Shape Color 1. Click on the color picker and choose our color. Of course, you can make this anything you want. We're going to go somewhere between yellow and orange. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Now to get a little more contrast, we'll change our secondary text color to black by using the eyedropper on the background. It's looking pretty cool. But here's a tip. One more thing you can do to spice it up. I noticed this circular graphic at the beginning of the title. Let's just use this part to highlight the ball. We'll duplicate the title comp. And drag it to the beginning of the clip. where we want it to start. And then find our end frame of that graphic, which is going to be where the circle just starts to stretch out, and trim the layer to end there. Now position this circle over the ball and scale it up so that it surrounds the ball. Then let's drop a couple of keyframes in to animate the opacity at the end to fade out the circle as the ball is kicked. And it's looking pretty good. Now you can make all your minor tweaks to the final positions. And there you go. Standard footage becomes a cool opening title sequence using modern titles from BusyBoxx.